In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match transactions in QuickBooks. Matching transactions is a simple way to keep your books clean, avoid duplicates, and make sure what's in QuickBooks lines up with what cleared the bank. I'll walk you through the exact path to get there and show you what to look for so you can feel confident every time you click Match. Start by heading to the left sidebar. From there, click All Apps, then click Accounting, and then click Bank Transactions. This takes you to the feed of items that have come in from your connected bank or card accounts. You'll see a list of transactions waiting for your attention, along with basic details like dates, amounts, and descriptions. Think of this as your review queue, where each item needs to be confirmed before it becomes part of your books. Choose the transaction you'd like to match and click it. When you do, a Details view opens so you can review what the bank sent. Take a second to glance at the amount, the date, and any description or memo. A quick review here helps you spot obvious mismatches before you commit. On the left side, you'll see a small button for Match and Categorize. Click Match. This tells QuickBooks you're not creating anything new. You're linking this bank item to an existing record, like an invoice payment, an expense, a bill payment, or a transfer already entered in your books. Once you click Match, you'll see transactions you can match. QuickBooks suggests likely candidates based on amount, date proximity, and payee. Look through the options carefully. Check that the amount is identical and that the date is reasonably close to the bank cleared date. If the payee or memo lines up too, that's even better. Click the checkbox next to the transaction you'd like to match. If more than one option appears, choose the one that aligns best with the amount and context. Accuracy matters here. Picking the correct record prevents duplicates and keeps reports trustworthy. When you're confident you've got the right one, hit Match at the bottom right. QuickBooks confirms the link and removes the item from your review list, moving it into your categorized transactions. You should see a clear indicator that the transaction is matched, which is your cue that everything is in sync for that item. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Bank Transactions, selecting your bank item, choosing Match and Categorize, picking the correct existing record, and clicking Match, you keep your books tidy and reliable. Repeat the same flow for the rest of your transactions, and your reconciliations